Hi, I am Ali Hassan. Currently I am MBBS student. Today we will discuss how to study effectively. You feel bored while studying? Don't worry, I will help you to increase productivity. Here are a few tips that will help you. Let's discuss them. When you are ready to study and start to feel that you are wasting time, note the time and write it down. Typical time is 20 to 30 minutes. Positive and negative reinforcement: once you pass 30 minutes you start to hate studying and thus stopping the effectiveness. Now you have to take 5-minute break and do something you enjoy. Enjoy something to reinforce positive vibes to studying. Avoid social media. Break should be 5 minutes only. Every area has specific function. Kitchen is to cook. Living room is for TV and games. Bedroom is for study. Build a specific area that should be only for study. This area should have all the necessary items for study like pen, pencils, and study lamp. Reward yourself for every small targets. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.